guys, and welcome back to our Canva Apps series where we try the latest Canva apps that can be useful to improve your Canva designs. So, for today, I would like to feature the app called Typegradient. So, first, all you have to do is go to the apps section and type the word Typegradient. So, that's the app that we're featuring, and just click on that. If it's not yet included in your apps section, just click on connect, so um it will have the um sidebar interface here for type gradient. So there. So once we've already added that, um there is a main text, there is a font, alignment, line height, and here is where we can navigate the gradient colors, and here is the preview section. So let's say I would like to make the silicon mines as a gradient text. So just paste that there, and then let's click enter. So let's say I would like to choose um another text or another font. Here, let's try to choose. There's one that I really like, which is this one, Zendats, and it is also like it also blends with our vibe and style that we're going for, which is modern and futuristic. So I choose Zendats for this one. So this is what my project looks like as of the moment. So since it's still in the Canva colors, I can change it by clicking on the white circles here. So let's say I would like this to be this violet color here. And click on enter. And this other dot would be this one. So just copy the hex code and paste that there. It looks like this. Maybe I just want little white color white. Okay, let's see. Okay, so um once you're satisfied with the gradient that you've created, all you have to do is click on add to design, and you can now use it in your design. So the title of the podcast is the Silicon Minds Podcast. So here you can see that it can be useful when we are creating flyers, banners, or projects that needs more texture and drama when it comes to text. So this app or application can be useful on your next project. So stay tuned for another Canva app series or Canva app that we will be featuring here on this page. So you will learn more on how to improve your design using these apps. There's a lot of apps in Canva that we have not discovered yet. So that's why I created this series so that we can go through them one by one. So that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video and that you can use the type gradient on your next project. So that's all. Thank you.